Birds are the only animals on Earth with feathers. Feathers not only allow birds to fly, but also serve as insulation to help regulate their body temperature, as well as provide vivid and diverse colors used in courtship and communication. There are even some birds that have sex with their females, clean up the area, make a clean dance floor, and show their colorful feathers and skills there.
There's work to be done first. Every morning he clears his court of the night's fallen debris. It's a vital chore if he wants to attract a mate. Females only visit the tidiest courts. So one rogue leaf might ruin his chances. Perfect. His obsessive housework pays off, and a female drops in for a closer look. Now is his chance to really impress. But it won't be easy. Females are very fussy, and she'll expect his carefully choreographed routine to be faultless. He opens with a bow. Next, his
Birds have excellent eyesight that allows them to see things humans can't, such as ultraviolet light. They also have a specialized structure in their eyes called the pecten, which provides additional nourishment to their eyes and helps improve their vision. Many birds are known for their distinctive and complex songs, used for communication, courtship, and territorial defense. Birds have a specialized organ called the syrinx, which allows them to produce a wide range of sounds, including songs, calls, and even imitations of other sounds.
Goldfinch. Pigeon. Woodpecker.
Many species of birds are known for their long-distance migration, flying thousands of miles each year between their breeding and wintering grounds. Some birds navigate using the Earth's magnetic field, while others use landmarks or the position of the sun and stars. Migration is an incredible feat of endurance, as birds must find enough food and avoid predators along their journey.